Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you a neat little trick for those of you who delete files frequently and would like to bypass the recycle bin. What this is going to do is we're going to add a context menu item that will basically say, when you right-click on a folder, that you can delete the folder contents or the folder and the subfolder contents. So it's kind of neat. Let's start with the registry files, which will be linked to in the video description. If you don't see it, just type add delete folder context menu Major Geeks and you'll be there. Double click it, click yes, and of course this is called add and the other one's called remove. Click yes again, and of course one more time. So now let's get rid of it. Let's right click, here it is, delete folder contents. Delete folder contents and subfolders, delete folder contents but not the subfolders. Although we don't have one here, let's make one real quick just so we can show you how it works. So let's right click on download. We want to get rid of everything, but we have the subfolder here which I don't want to touch. So let's right click, delete folder contents, but not the subfolders. A command prompt is going to appear. You press Y or no if you change your mind. Once you press it, it's over, so be careful here. Once you do it a couple times, you'll get real used to it. Hit Y, and there you go. Now remember, of course, as we did mention, that it will bypass your recycle bin, so you don't really want to do this with something maybe and change your mind later and decide that you really want to get that back. So, but it's great for, well, Major Geeks. What we do here is a good example. So there's screenshots we take, and sometimes this folder gets piled up with screenshots. So rather than, highlight click, I can just right click and get rid of them. Done deal. So now we can do delete folder contents and subfolders, and that will take that last folder out of there. There you go. I love it when it works, man. I'm always like, please work, please work, please work. And it worked. So anyway, now, of course, you might change your mind later. You don't have to use it. If you just want to use it once in a while, it's nice to have. Here is the remove option, and we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to double click. We're going to click yes. We're going to click yes. We're going to click OK. And you can close that out when we're done, but let's take a look. It's gone. So, pretty safe to do. It's just fun. I like it. There you go. So there's a nice neat way to just quickly empty files or empty folders and subfolders, either or, blah, blah, blah. Thanks for watching as always. Over here in the bottom, down here in the bottom right, see me swinging around my mouse like a madman. Down there is the Major Geeks logo. If you click that, you get to subscribe to Major Geeks YouTube channel, which would be really cool. I like to think so. Thanks for watching as always. See ya.